Two other common or most frequently used build constraints in this PowerScheduler constraints area involve teacher free and teacher part-time constraints. Again, like any other constraint, if I have a teacher and the only thing they teach, they're the only teacher who teaches a certain class, you can use course settings to make a teacher only be scheduled at certain times if the only person teaching those classes is that teacher. More commonly, you're going to have a teacher who's teaching a class a bunch of other people teach, and you can come in here and we will use teacher free and the teacher part-time constraint. You have to decide what you want to do because these two are kind of opposite each other. You can use the teacher free constraint to mark periods where a teacher must be free, meaning they're not teaching a class for you, right? This is commonly the one that is used if you're going to give a specific planning period to a teacher, right? This teacher's free this hour. If any hour marked teacher free, that teacher will not be scheduled. You can also do teacher free if you know you're sending a teacher to another school. So you're going to be here with us 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th is your travel period, and then you're teaching 6 and 7 at another school. I can mark you teacher free 5th, 6th, and 7th because you're not here 5th, 6th, and 7th. To do teacher free, you click on the teacher free link. I do new. I have to find my teacher. I'm going to do the ACC staff. Is this teacher free time for the entire year or just a semester? We'll do the year and we'll say this teacher is free first and second hour. What that means, I'm going to hit submit. You can see this teacher is free first and second hour for the entire year. All right. That means they can be scheduled 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 only. A different way to do this is I can look at teacher part-time. A teacher part-time constraint is also going to tell the system how to schedule a teacher, but it's going to tell you when you can schedule the teacher. So when is the teacher available? So on a teacher part-time constraint, I'm going to select new. I'm going to select that same teacher, and I'm going to say the beginning period for my teacher is 4th hour, and third hour, and my ending period is 7th hour, and I'm going to hit submit. So here's what you see now. I've got this teacher. The first period they can teach is 3rd. The last period they can teach is 7. So they're available 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th, right? They're available those periods to teach. If we look at teacher free, that teacher is free first and second, meaning they can't teach first or second. Both of those settings will give you the exact same result. You do not have to do both. You don't want to do both because it increases your chances you're going to mess something up. If it's me, I use teacher free to give specific hours to teachers off for whatever reason. Be it a common plan or you have to have this plan period. I use teacher free for that. I use teacher part-time when I know a staff member can't be here till a certain hour, and then they can only teach within a certain range of sections. So now that we've made those, I will go ahead and show you how to delete them. If you go to teacher free and you click on the teacher in question and scroll down to the bottom, there's a delete command, and then there is a confirm delete. So we're going to delete that teacher free one I made. Go to teacher part-time, click on the teacher's name again, click on delete, confirm delete, and those constraints I made have gone away.